Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Amazon Lex is a powerful service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that enables developers to build conversational interfaces, also known as chatbots, for various applications. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Amazon Lex with Python to create a simple chatbot. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. First, let's create an Amazon Lex bot using the AWS Management Console. To authenticate with AWS, you need to set up your AWS credentials. You can do this by creating a credentials file or exporting environment variables. Ensure that your IAM user has sufficient permissions to interact with Amazon Lex. Now, let's write some Python code to interact with the Amazon Lex bot we created earlier. We'll use the bot03 library to make API calls to Amazon Lex. Replace your _access _key _ID, your _secret _access _key, your _AWS _region, your _bot _name, and your _bot _alias with your AWS credentials and bot details. Save the Python code to a file, for example, lex_chatbot.py, and run it using the Python interpreter. You can now interact with your Amazon Lex bot through the command line interface. In this tutorial, we've learned how to create a simple chatbot using Amazon Lex and Python. You can extend this example by integrating it with other AWS services or by enhancing the conversation flow of your bot. Experiment with different intents, slot types, and responses to create a more robust conversational interface for your application. ChatGPT.